Hi, welcome to Yes Cars. Buy, sell, believe. We have a very large collection of pre-owned cars in our showroom at Dumlur, Bangalore. We have around 70 plus cars in our showroom. So I request everybody who is looking for a pre-owned cars, do visit our showroom before you buy a car. So you will like one of the best car among them. So today I am going to show you the complete stock what we have it in our showroom. So let's go have a look at the cars.
So let's tell you about the inventory what we have it in our showroom right now at present. I am going to show you some of the SUV models what we have it in our showroom. So this is going to be a Mitsubishi Outlander. This is an automatic transmission with 2.4 liter engine with 7-seater. This is going to be a 2-wheel drive as well as a 4-wheel drive. This is basically a petrol car with 2013 model with 7-seater. This is drawn around 78,000 kilometers. It is a single owner car with a complete showroom maintained. The price for this car is 8.90 lakhs. It is slightly negotiable. It is a beautiful car for those who are going for a long drives. Next, let's go for an Honda CR-V. This is basically a top-end model with the sunroof. This is going to be a 2.4 liter engine with a 4-wheel drive with the automatic transmission. The kilometer of the vehicle is driven 59,000 kilometers with a complete showroom maintained. The price for this car is 14.90 lakhs, slightly negotiable it is. Next, let's go for an Chevrolet Captiva. This is an LT variant. This is a 2-liter engine with the diesel variant. This is going to be an 8-seater car. This is 2010 model single owner car with a beautiful condition. The price for this car is going to be 5.75 lakhs negotiable. Look at the car. It's a beautiful car. Next, let's go for an. This is a Ford Endeavour 4x2 liters 3-liter engine with a diesel variant. This is going to be a 2012 model with a single owner. It is driven around 89,000 kilometers. The price for this car is 8.75 lakhs, slightly negotiable it is. Look at the car, it's a beautiful car. If you're with a big family, this is the car what you are looking for. The drive of the vehicle is something different, and with the family you will enjoy the drive with this. Next, let's go for a 2009 model Scorpio. This is SLE model it is driven around 89,000 kilometers. This is a single owner vehicle with a comprehensive insurance. The price for this vehicle is around 5.25 lakhs, slightly negotiable it is. It's a beautiful Scorpio. The additional what they have put, there are lots of fitting in this vehicle. So if you please come to my showroom, I am going to show you the complete SUV models what we have it in our showroom. The next is we are going to go with Mahindra XUV 500 with 2013 model W8 variant with a 4-wheel drive. This is going to be a 2.2 liter engine with a 4-wheel drive. This is driven around 90,000 kilometers driven. It is a single owner vehicle. and the price for this vehicle is 8.25 lakhs, slightly negotiable it is. It's a beautiful car. Next, let's go for an, this is an Mahindra Jeep. This is basically a MM540. It is convertible into a Thar. This is what the Jeep look like. It is a 2005 model, 4x4. The complete vehicle has been altered. It is modified into a Thar. In this, you will have a sunroof, AC, 4-wheel drive, as well as a power window with the vehicle. This very attractive vehicle. The price for this vehicle is 690 negotiable.